Hello students, welcome to my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chute. In this video, we are going to see MCQs, multiple choice questions on the topic posology from the pharmaceutics 2 subject. This video is only of 5 to 6 minutes length. This is very short. Sit down with the concentration and watch carefully. You will be definitely benefited in the MSBT examination. So thank you so much. Let us start. MCQs on posology. Dash is the condition when an usually large dose is required to produce an effect which has been produced by the normal dose. This condition is called as an, and the options are tolerance, idiosyncrasy, hypersensitivity, or addiction of the drug. When large dose is required than the normal one, this condition is called as an drug tolerance. Yes, this condition is called as an tolerance, drug tolerance. Dash is a branch of medical science which deals with the calculation of dose of the drug. Yes, and the options are pharmacology, posology, pharmacotherapeutics, or none of these. And the correct option is yes. The dose is calculated in the branch of medical science that is known as an posology. Calculation of the dose. Posology means which is related mainly for the calculation of the doses of the drug. Dash formula is used to calculate the dose of a child according to its body weight. And the options are Young's formula, Dilling's formula, Clark's formula, or none of above. Yes, according to the body weight, dose is calculated in the Clark's formula. Yes, Dilling's and Young's, the age is considered, but body weight is considered in Clark's formula. Small quantity of aspirin may cause hemorrhage is the example of, yes, and the options are drug tolerance, tachyphylaxis, metabolic disturbances, or idiosyncrasy. And the correct answer is yes, it is a idiosyncrasy because it is an undesirable pharmacological response of aspirin. That is called as an idiosyncrasy. 1 milligram is equal to, yes, and the options are 0.001 gram, 0.0001 gram, 0.01 gram, or 0.1 gram. Yes, 1 milligram is equal to 0.001 gram. One grain is equal to, yes, and the options are 60.2 milligram, 64.8 milligram, 64.6 milligram, or 68.4 milligram. And the correct option is yes, 64.8 milligram. 1 grain is equal to 64.8 milligram. Dash is used to calculate the dose of a child according to its age. Yes, and the options are Clark's formula, Stokes equation, Young's formula, or alligation method. And the correct answer is yes, according to the age, Young's formula is used to calculate the dose of a child. Dash is used to calculate the dose of a child when the age is between 4 to 20 years. Yes, and the options are Young's formula, Clark's formula, alligation method, or Dilling's formula. When the age of the child is between 4 to 20 years, yes, Dilling's formula is used. The following factors influences the calculation of a dose except. So there are various factors which affect the calculation of the dose. You have to find out the except one, and the options are color of the drug, age of the patient, sex of the patient, or body weight of the person. And yes, the correct answer is color of the drug doesn't influence the calculation of the dose. Dash is observed when certain drugs administered repeatedly, the cell receptors get blocked and the response get decreased. This condition is called as an drug tolerance, tachyphylaxis, idiosyncrasy, or metabolic disturbances. Yes, and the correct answer is tachyphylaxis. Due to the repeated administration, the response get decreased. This condition is called as an tachyphylaxis. When two or more drugs are used in combination and their action is increased, this phenomenon is called as an additive effect, idiosyncrasy, synergism, or tachyphylaxis. When their action is increased, the phenomenon is called as an synergism. When the total pharmacological action of two or more drugs administered is equal to the sum of their individual responses, this condition is called as an synergism, idiosyncrasy, tachyphylaxis, or additive effect. Yes, when there is a sum of responses, SUM, this is called as an additive effect. In this case, you need to lower down the dose of a drug. Smokers can tolerate nicotine, or alcoholic can tolerate large quantity of alcohol. This is the example of, yes, the options are synergism, idiosyncrasy, tachyphylaxis, or tolerance. Yes, this is the example of drug tolerance. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe my channel Techno Pharma by Niranjan Chiute for such kind of updated videos which are related to pharmaceutics to subject. Thank you once again. Thank you.